Alright, mate, so we're currently moving into step 3, and the next thing I need to do, let's see what ChatGPT is asking us to do. Alright, so here's what this one's gonna look like. So it's about me getting the questions by ID. Very, very easy, I guess, and get questions. Don't really name this. Get question by ID. Good, so question then slash and then icon colon and ID. So get question by ID dot ID. Good. Control C, and then we're gonna have to fetch it so we don't forget later. And Control V. Control V. Alright, so head over to controllers.js, and then we just kind of like low-key create a new function for it. Then Control V. First of all, we need to get the ID, so const.id is going to be equals to request dot change param dot ID. I think that gives me the ID, and then he asks us to use array.find and array dot find, I think, and then array dot find. Okay, I think I'm doing something very stupid and it's awkward since I'm filming. Alright, I think recording. X and then Control V and then find the ID. Alright, so I think this should work. Okay, so I do not know if this is gonna work, but let's just see if it works. So let's look for an ID. We could use a question. So this is Q1, Control C, and then Control V. Send. Okay, is not message string. Q1 is not a function. Pretty much I found a problem. It's cause it's a string. Once it's gone, once the ID is gone, it's actually a string. So we have to kind of like turn it into a number. So parse int yes, and right, parse int. So that should solve my problem. And let's see if it works now. Send not a number is not a function. Holy shit, I totally forgot. Damn. The find. Holy shit. It's not supposed to be an integer. I don't know what's wrong with me. Alright, so params.id and then question that turns out that sometimes I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so this should work. Now send. Good. Works. Yes, it works. Works very well. Good. Now to get question 2. Yes. What I'm talking about, mate. So that's it.